ESPN Plus. Tom Breeze, I'm gonna catch this one.
You know, lately the Denver airport is just crazy. Like last week, going to California, it took me an hour and 45 minutes to get to my gate. I almost missed my flight. So I'm gonna have to wake up super early this morning and then try to get as much rest as I can in Vegas, besides enjoy the fights. And then next week, it's kind of just staying sharp, training a little bit, getting the heart rate up, but nothing too crazy, not taking much risk. And then also I'll be getting on a flight. I think it's about 8 or 9 hours out to London. So there's going to be a lot of travel in my future. It's important that I drink a ton of water, get a lot of rest. My nutrition's on point, my vitamins. You know, I have to stay healthy these next few weeks. It's crucial. It's also crucial I keep my stress levels down. So that's also why we pull back on the training a little bit, just keep those cortisol levels down. And you know, I hired my nutritionist out in London, so it's very easy to make weight. All the food is brought to my room when I'm supposed to eat, at the time I'm supposed to eat, what I'm supposed to eat. So that makes life really easy. Lockhart and Lee, so I'm excited to get out there and make a statement and get all this travel stuff behind me and then take a nice vacation out in Spain. So it's a full circle next 2 weeks, action-packed, and I'm excited.
Candy red, yeah. You just put champ. I'm already a champ, I just gotta see it. You got it. Shout out to Captivation. I would like to give a big thanks for just getting me styled up with icon suits for my style, my flavor, get me out my comfort zone a little bit and looking fresh. What's up, man? It's Ian the Hurricane Heinisch. I fight March 16th in London, England, in UFC London. I'm over here at Landow Performance. I come here every Tuesday and Thursday for the past about 2.5 years. They get my strength on point, my metabolic state, my conditioning on point. The coaches are here great. We taper up according to when I have a fight. It's all science. These guys are the best in the biz. Shout out to Landow Performance.
Turn it all the way over. She's based the wrong thing.
Then about, it says 26 seconds on here, 30 seconds. I walked around for about 30. That means we're in fight shape. It's almost go time. It's my last sparring session today. I'm gonna get a few rounds in, fly out next week to London. March 16th, UFC London. Make sure you tune in. ESPN Plus. Don't miss it.
They said we got 2 rounds.
It's an easy night for me. session. I leave for London next weekend. Camp was really good, you know, always feel really worn out towards the end of camp, but it's all normal. Just got to trust the system, trust the process, and I'm excited, man. We're going to go out to London. We're going to fight this guy in his hometown. You know, we're going to take care of business like we did in November against the hometown guy, and I'm excited, man. I'm excited to get in the top 15 after this and fight one of these ranked guys in the top 15 and, you know, get more money, showcase my skills, and expect a fireworks fight, and expect me getting that 50G bonus. So I'll see you in London.